Hi everyone, welcome to my channel That Creative Life. In this video I am going to draw a watercolor portrait. I'm using a Pinterest image as a reference for this watercolor portrait drawing. The link to the same is in my description. You can check that out and you can also try drawing this portrait. So first I am drawing my sketch using a very light pencil, which is a Staedtler 2H pencil, to draw the sketch. Since I'm directly drawing on the watercolor paper, that is also one reason why I'm using a very light pencil, and hopefully I'll be making another video where I'll be showing in detail how I draw my sketches. So to draw the sketch, I initially thought of using the Loomis method, but then later on I relied mainly on the estimation way of drawing the sketch, and that also works most of the time. Also, my target is not to focus too much on exactly copying the reference image. So if there are a few changes that's happening here and there, I was okay with that. Also, I'm using a kneadable eraser whenever I want to erase anything. Now once my sketch is done, I am coloring it using Daler-Rowney watercolors. So I started out with the skin first because it is the lightest portion of the entire drawing, and I used wet on wet technique to color my skin, and later on I mainly use wet on dry technique. So for the skin I will be building up layers, and for that it is very important that my first layer dries and only then I begin with the second layer, and that's how I am going to build up the layers for the skin. So while my first layer of the skin dries, I'm coloring the other areas, and I'm using the same technique, the wet on wet technique, for the first layer. I'm also coloring the background with a bright color so that my portrait kind of pops out. So that's the color I just chose on my own without considering my reference image. So my first layer has dried. Now I am doing the second layer. Only for the skin I will be building the layers, and I have to put watercolors multiple times, though for the other areas I might be doing these watercolor layers 2 or 3 times might be enough, or it could be the case that just the first layer is enough. But for skin it is important to build the layers. To get the depth of the skin, we have to build the layers, and we have to go for more than one layers of watercolors. For very fine details I'm using Micron ink pens, because I find it quite tough to do these small detail work with watercolors itself. For that I use Micron ink pens, and also I do not use too much of outline because that takes away the beauty of watercolors. And also I'm using water brush pen again for more details. So these are Tombow water based dual brush pens, and these are quite great to use. I could have stopped here also, but I continued with the coloring, and I kept on using the same water based dual brush pens to get more depth, or to make it more colorful. I am now removing the masking tape which was there only for getting those clean borders. So my portrait is done now. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you found it any useful, make sure to like it, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel.